Kingsley James. I'm going to be teaching you how to install Staad Pro and activate it. Now, depending on where you have it on your system, I'm going to go into my folder where I have my software. I'm going to double click and open this. Now, the first thing to do, you don't just run the Staad Pro setup because it's kind of technical if you want to install it. Now, depending on which language, you're going to see this license. Like this one is not written in English, but I understand it. Now, this is called license IED. You're going to open it. Your own might be written in English, so open it. That's the first thing you do. You run the setup. Right click on it, open or double click, or better still, run as administrator. Now it's going to take time to install. I'll click on next. Okay, by the time I'm through, I'm going to click on finish. Now finish installing the license. Now the next thing is to install Staad Pro to run the setup. Now I can right click on the setup and run as administrator. Now you keep clicking on next, accept, then click on next. Now in the case of the license, now the server name, let me show you where you see it on this how to install and activate. You see the server, this is the server name. Let me highlight it so you see. So you copy the 127, that's Control C, hold Control button and C, copy it. It's the same thing with the activation, that's the site activation key. It is only the email that is different, which is this asterisk here. So come back, look at it, I already have it here. Then click on next, install. You don't need to write anything. On anyone who uses this computer, click on next, then select the unit of measurement you want, maybe imperial or metric unit. I like to use the metric. I'll click on next, so it's up to you. Then you wait for it to finish up. So you carefully wait. It's going to take a few minutes to install. I'm going to pause this so it installs. Alright folks, the next thing you're going to do is you hit the finish button. Now folks, the next thing to do is you open this medicine Staad Pro. Now you select this file, you copy it. Now when I mean copy, I mean you could right click on it and select copy, or better still, I use Ctrl C on my keyboard. When I select it, I hit on the Control button and the C But in the next thing I'll do is go to my computer, open the C. Now it depends on your system configuration. You could open, depending on where it is installed in your system, where Staad Pro is installed. Open program files, okay, then open common files. In some cases, it could be program file 86, okay. Now let's check here now. The first one, program files. Let's see. You come to common files. So what I'm looking for is not here. All right. I'll go back to the other one, which is program files 86. Then select common files. Now the next thing is Bentley shared. Open it. You double click it. Then IEG. Open this again. Now in this place, you just Ctrl V, which is paste. Then it will tell you that there is a file with this name. Copy and replace. Click on continue. Now it's going to replace the old one. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come here, come back to where you have the software. I'm going back to where I have my software. Now inside this same folder, open it, then right click on this and merge, and click on merge and say yes. Say yes. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run my Staad Pro. It's on my desktop. This is it. Right click on it. Just either open or run as administrator. But make sure your internet is not on while you're doing all this. I click on yes. So let's see what's up. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kingsley James. You can call me for installation, activation. I also have my video training on Staad Pro, Orion, CSC, AutoCAD 2D and 3D, and Revit architecture. I'm working on some other CAD softwares which I'm going to update you. Catch you, folks.